Now the date is the 26th of November 2020 and it is Perttulantie, probably Perttulantie, and stage B in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland, but it's close to Perttulantie, Valmet. And it was built by Valmet in 1982, turning 40 years old in 2022, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. The serial number is VS6013, and there are some floors here. Let's see if it is memory. This one doesn't have it, it's simple. Weird, it was made simple. But still memory was not very common then.
Yeah.
Still amazing with the wooden interior here.
Yeah.
Yes, 4 persons or 325 grams.
Spectated gewijsbetaald maintained by Autosolo descriptors.
It's not the best maintenance, but I think this is working fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can press down, because I pressed it already.
Yeah.
So at least we have gotten into one of these. It was difficult.
Yeah.
Still a few more to go on Lauttasaari today. A few more, maybe.
Yeah.
We'll try, but of course we'll come some other time as well again, so there's still more.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's